In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Booking.com hotel reservations. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your account and you know which reservation you want to cancel, especially if you have multiple trips. It also helps to quickly check the property's cancellation policy so you know whether there are any fees or deadlines. Start on the Booking.com website or app and look for your profile icon. On desktop, it's usually at the top right. On mobile, it may appear in the Account or Profile tab. Click that icon to open your account menu so you can access your travel details. Next, choose Bookings and Trips. This takes you to your list of upcoming and past reservations. You'll see each trip summarized by dates and property name. Find the reservation you want to cancel and select it to open the full trip details. Take a moment here to confirm you've picked the correct booking and glance at the cancellation terms displayed on the page. On the trip details screen, look for the three dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click those three dots to see additional actions available for this reservation. From that menu, choose Cancel Booking. If you don't see a cancel option, the reservation may be non-refundable or past its free cancellation window, so the option may not appear. You'll now be taken to the cancellation page. Click the Select a Reason field. Selecting a reason is required, and it helps process your request correctly. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Being accurate here ensures you see the right information about potential fees or refunds. After selecting your reason, click Continue. On the next screen, review the summary carefully. This is where Booking.com typically shows any charges, refund amounts, or important timing details. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, click Cancel Booking to confirm. Once you confirm, the system will process the cancellation. You should see a confirmation message on screen, and a confirmation email will be sent to your registered address. Keep that email for your records. If a refund applies, the timing depends on the property and payment method. It can take several business days to appear, so watch your account and contact your payment provider if needed. That's it. By opening your profile, going to Bookings and Trips, selecting the correct reservation, using the three-dot menu to choose Cancel Booking, providing a required reason, clicking Continue, and confirming cancel booking, you can cancel your hotel reservation on Booking.com with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate the process smoothly.